How's it doing, girl? How's it doing? Okay, I'm gonna head out.
All right, back by 1 o'clock.
Okay, that's fine. Sick new combo. Oh, and of course it's raining. Okay, well, hello guys. We're going out to the Iowa River. We're gonna be fishing for some smallmouth, and an occasional drum. Right here, we've actually got a little creek, but there's like no fish in it. At least I don't think there are. Some running, flowing water. I'm not gonna bother fishing that. We have to bike like another 1.5 miles maybe. So I'll see you guys when you get there. Fish. Oh, come on, he spit it. Got him. A little guy. He's pretty fat though. Look at that belly. Let's put him back. Just a little tiny guy. That's how it gets started. With those tiny guys. There's one. Nicer one. Oh, it's catfish. Yes. Got a catfish. Woo! These guys are pretty nice. Look at that. That is cool. Look at those whiskers. Man almighty. Okay, let's push him back. Go back, bud. There he goes. Got him. On the figure 8, it took a while, but he ate it. Another little guy. Go back. Okay, we're at the next spot. Ugh. Got him. Little smallie. Why can't I get any size? Maybe I need to upgrade my spinner. Use a bigger one. There he is. He actually just pooped on me. Just let him go. I'd like some size, but I mean that still works. It's just not what I'd like. Oh, my spinner's messed up. That is number 3, I believe, and then also a channel. I'd like to take a moment to recognize how annoying these bugs are. These are called Mayflies, and they're just the bane of my existence. They like to stick on your clothes. They like to fly in your face. They like to go in your mouth. They just do everything that's so annoying, and there's tons of them. Oh, I missed him. There he is. Another smallie. Go back. Of course, the day I come with my GoPro and start filming, All the tiny fish are biting. I was getting some nice bites yesterday, nice fish. Today I just can't seem to get them. I think it's just all this rain. Oh, so many of these bugs. Gosh dang it. They're so annoying. Oh, fish. Got him. Chill out. There he is. Go back. Come on, get out. Come on, man. This is so dumb. And then there's all these bugs. Oh my God. Big fish. I think it's a drum, guys. I think it's a drum. It's pulling hard. It's gotta be a drum. Whatever it is. If it has teeth, I don't want to break off, so hopefully it doesn't. Oh, it's a drum. Yeah. Little drum. These guys fight so hard, it's crazy. Man. Come on. Oh my gosh. Whew. Okay, I think I'm good. Are you good? There he is. These things are so much fun to catch. These guys always get hooked so deep in their mouth, it's crazy. Yeah. These guys are fun. Big fight too. Okay, let's release him. Thanks for biting, bud. There he goes. Got him. No, that was the biggest smallmouth of the day. I'm so bad at fishing. I need to learn to get better. Got him. Oh, that's a nice smallie. Woo! Biggest smallie of the day. It's a pretty one. Look at that. On the bottom. Pretty cool, or lines or something. So pretty. Oh shoot, that was not the smartest thing to do. So pretty. Okay, let's put him back. Yep, he's ready to go. Ah, come on, I landed right on a stick there. I guess we could try casting right here again. Got him. Another smallie. Jeez. That was not that good. I'm actually really sorry about that. Oh, I feel bad. I feel really bad. Seems like they like this little spot right here. It's like a little edge that they push the bait into, I guess. I mean, it's fine. Oh, I thought that was a nice fish. It's a stick. Pro fisherman Jake here. Catching the sticks and flinging smallies out. And it's raining hard. This sucks. Oh, one wants it. Just trying. Oh, it's a stupid green stonefish. I don't want this fish. tired of. Oh my god. Got him. I just caught him for the multi-species day. I haven't caught one yet today. Go back. Fish. Barely set the hook on that guy because I thought he was a stick because there's tons of sticks right there. Little guy. There. I suck. Too much money on me. You can call me on. Project now. Oh, anthill. No, I'm an idiot. No. No. I need all these ants to get off me ASAP. Okay, that's another pretty good spot. Hopefully it's good. Should be. Got him. Oh, got him. Got him. Got him. Got one. Just trying to move on the rocks, not fall. Got him. It's a smallie. Okay. Oh, all these guys are so fat. It's crazy. Go back. Oh, you're joking. A bluegill. Big one, but like, why? Why are you eating this? Oh my gosh, that guy hit it like a truck. Man, these fish. Oh, there's one. Got a smallie. Yeah. Yeah. Ate the spinnerbait. Let's go back. Fish. It's a drum. On the jerkbait. Let's put him back. Fish. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a drum. It's a drum. It's gotta be. It's gotta be a drum. It's gotta be a drum. Oh gosh, he just came off. Oh, got one. Not sure what it is. I think it's a green sunny. Oh no, it's not. It's a catfish. Yeah, a catfish. A little catfish. Ate the jerkbait. Come back, bud. This is shish kebab.